Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I'm here with yet another healthy and quick breakfast recipe just for you. Mumbai style Kanda Poha. I know there are 1,000 ways of making poha, but this simple Mumbai style Kanda Poha is my absolute favorite. Just the best way to start your morning, isn't it? So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For making poha, you need 2 cups of poha, 2 chopped onions, 2 diced potatoes, some ginger, 1 chopped green chilli, 8 to 10 curry leaves, some roasted peanuts, chopped coriander, half a lemon, and in the spices we need cumin seeds, haldi, and of course salt. We'll start by rinsing the poha like this for 2 to 3 times nicely, and then drain all the water out and let the poha soften until we prepare the base. Now heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil to it. If you put too much oil, it will completely ruin this recipe. So make sure that you put very little oil. Add 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, and once they start popping, add in the diced potatoes. Stir them on a medium heat for about 5 minutes. Add a pinch of salt and let them steam for about 7 to 8 minutes until they become soft, till they're about 90% done. Now it's time to add in our chopped onions. Cook them for just 2 minutes. We want them to be a bit crunchy and not too soft. Make some space on one side of the pan to add the tempering. Add a little bit of oil and then put chopped ginger, green chillies, and curry leaves. Stir them for a minute and then quickly mix them with the onions and the potatoes. At this stage, you can also add in your roasted peanuts. Give them a quick stir. Add half a teaspoon of sugar to round the taste very well. Stir them for a minute and then add your salt, some turmeric powder. Mix them well with the help of 1 tablespoon of water so that the turmeric mixes really well. Now, time to add our poha. Give it a light stir. Try not to break it. So we'll cover the lid and give it a shake like this. This will ensure that the poha won't break. See? Now just squeeze half a lemon and some coriander leaves. And here you go. Your quick, easy, healthy and tasty poha is ready in front of you. Enjoy it with a kadak cup of chai in the morning. You can also add in some save on top of it to enhance its taste. If you want to make a faster version of this poha, you can just skip adding in the potatoes and your poha will be ready in less than 10 minutes. But I really insist you to try making it this way. I'm sure you'll love it. Thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye and take care.